We are working on 1.3 in ALEKS today, and it has to do with ordering fractions and decimals. So, if I had try again, 1.487, and I had 1.47699, which one of those is bigger? So how do we know that it's the one on the left? So when we do our inequalities, we would do this. Doesn't the one on the right have more information? Oh, okay. So I can lengthen out the one on the left and put as many zeros as I want. Okay, so that's a good point. Money? It's the hundreds place that does it. So we follow our decimal positions. So the 1 and the 1 are equal. So far those numbers are the same. We move to the 10th position. The 4 and the 4 are equal. So far they weigh the same. And now the 8 is bigger than the 7. So that one on the left is the larger of the two numbers. And then anything after that is irrelevant. Okay? Same is true of numbers that are not decimals. So if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, and then I did 1, 2, 2, 9, 9, 9, 9. So we count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. The 1s are equal. The 2s are equal. But this 3 is bigger than that 2. So even though the rest of these are 9s, 2, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 is still smaller than 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Does that make sense? Are you guys okay with ordering decimals? It's not the length of the decimal that's important. It's the value in each position that's important. Okay? Well, what if I had something like 1.75 and, let's say 9/5? Which one's bigger? How are we going to figure that out? Right, we need to convert this into a decimal. That was interesting. Not exactly what I expected to happen. So 9/5. So we're going to take 9. Man. Looks like a Chinese character. So apparently don't go off the screen. It messes everything up. So in your calculator, you just push 9 divided by 5, and it will convert it into a decimal. 1.8. And now, which one's bigger? 1.8 is larger than 1.75. Okay? All right. If we look at our ALEKS assignment. Oh, wait a minute. That's not how I want to do this. I want to push that button. Okay. So here are some example questions of what you will see. Order these numbers from least to greatest. So which of those 4 numbers is the smallest? You'll get it. That one. That one's the smallest. Okay, what is the next smallest? This would be second in line, third, and fourth. You guys good with that? Okay. So the next one says, what is this decimal rounded to the nearest tenth? So we would do 46 divided by 21. and I get 2.19. If you round that to the nearest tenth, what would you get? 2.2. Okay, good. All right. Order the numbers, compare the decimals. And that might be everything today. This is a pretty simple review. Okay. Of course, like on number 16, you're going to need to convert those two to decimals. So 169 over 20 is easy. That's 8.45. How do I convert this into a decimal? So it's going to be 8 point. What's the decimal portion? Right, 6 divided by 11. Gudson height. So 0.5454. How many numbers, that goes on forever. How many numbers do I need to put there? You just need enough to figure out which one of these is larger or smaller. What do we do with decimals that go on forever and repeat? We just put a line over the repeating portion. And that tells us, oh, it's 545454 forever. Okay? All right. Get to work, guys.